Begin with judicial matters. The Supreme Court has reserved judgment in a suit filed by President Muhammadu Buhari and the Attorney General of the Federation seeking an interpretation of Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act 2022. The seven-man panel led by Justice Mohammed Natijo says the date of judgment will be communicated to the parties in suit. TVC News correspondent Celestina Area reports.
In a notice of appeal before the Supreme Court, President Muhammadu Buhari and the AGF want to know if Section 84, subsection 12 of the Electoral Act does not amount to imposing additional grounds of qualification and disqualification for aspirants in contradiction to what is provided for in the Constitution. The appellants are also challenging the legislative power of the National Assembly to enact the contentious section without a prior amendment to the constitutional provisions on qualification. At the last adjourned date, the Supreme Court joined the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly and the State Attorney General as parties in the suit. Today, the Supreme Court joined the Nigerian Bar Association as amicus curiae to enrich the court on whether to take a particular decision. Arguing for and against the provisions of Section 84, subsection 12, counsel to Mr. President says additional qualifications were imposed by this section on political appointees as against the Constitution. He argued that Section 84, subsection 3 of the Electoral Act has already given assurance to aspirants. Section 84, subsection 12 cannot take away that assurance already given. Counsel to the National Assembly on his part submitted that Mr. President has no legal right to invoke the jurisdiction of the apex courts. He says the suit brought by the President amounts to the President suing himself. The suit ought to have been brought in the name of the Federation or the political appointees who are affected should file the suit, which then would be at the Federal High Court and not the Supreme Court. He prayed the court to dismiss the suit. While counsel to Rivers State also prayed the court to dismiss the suit, he gave ground that the apex court lacked jurisdiction. Section 1, subsection 1A of the Supreme Court Additional Jurisdiction Act allows for the suit to exhibit differences between the executive and the legislature. Such situation has not arisen.
You don't solve a problem by running away from it. Everybody has been heard, and so what remains is to thank the justices for at least finding time to attend to us.
You need to know is that the appeal has been argued, and the court has adjourned to such a time that they will notify us.
Any party can bring any issues, any objection. It is the duty of the court to look at it and to quickly. And in that light, let me use this opportunity to salute the courage of the Supreme Court for taking and placing premium in this matter.
The court adjourned for judgment as they to be communicated to parties. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.